Clean a kettlebell to your shoulder. This is the starting position. Dip your body by bending the knees, keeping your torso upright. Immediately reverse direction, driving through the heels, jumping to create momentum. As you do so, press the kettlebell overhead to lock out by extending the arms, using your body's momentum to move the weight. Receive the weight overhead by returning to a squat position underneath the weight. Keeping the weight overhead, return to a starting position. Lower the weight to the floor to perform the next repetition. Clean and press the kettlebell overhead with your left arm. Keep your arm extended over your shoulder. This is the starting position. Looking straight ahead and keeping the kettlebell locked out above you, flex your knees and hips and lower your torso as far as you can, keeping your head and chest up. Pause at the bottom position for a second before rising back to the top, driving through the feels of your feet. Hold a kettlebell next to your shoulder. This will be the starting position. Dip your body by bending the knees, keeping your torso upright. Immediately reverse direction, driving through your heels to press the kettlebell overhead. Lock out by extending the arms and lower the weight to perform the next repetition. Sit on the floor and spread your legs out comfortably. Clean one kettlebell to your shoulder. Press the kettlebell up and out until it is locked out overhead. Return to the starting position. Stand with a kettlebell in your left hand and rotate your wrist so your palms face inward. This is the starting position. Look at the kettlebell and press it up and out until it is locked out overhead. Lower the kettlebell back to your shoulder under control and repeat. Hold the kettlebell in your left hand, squat slightly, and bend forward at the hips until your torso is almost parallel to the floor. Let the kettlebell hang at arm's length. Keep your torso still as you pull the kettlebell to the sides of your chest, elbows close to your side. Lower back to the start. That's one rep. The kettlebell between your feet. As you bend down to grab the kettlebell, push your butt back and keep your eyes looking forward. Clean the kettlebell to your shoulders by extending through the legs and hips as you raise the kettlebell towards your shoulder. The wrist should rotate as you do so. Return the weight to the starting position and repeat for the required reps.